So hello all, in this video we will talk about Boles coefficient of skewness. This is next topic of applied maths unit 6. So in this we have to find out, this is the formula for skewness of Boles coefficient of skewness, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median upon Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 and Q1 are quartiles. We know how to calculate its value. So this is question number 15, class interval, frequency, and then CF, right? So CF is 12 plus 16, 28, 28 plus 26, 54, right? 54 and 38, 12 and 4, 92, 92 and 22, 114, right? 114 and 15, 129, 129 and 7, 129 and 7, 136, 136 and 4, 140, right? The sum of it should be 140, right? Now Q3, so first let's find out Q1. So for Q1, n by 4, so n by 4 is 140 upon 4, 70 upon 2, 35. So 35 will lie in this, right, in this segment, right? So Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4 minus CF upon F multiplied by H, right? So L value is 20 plus n by 4 is 35 minus CF is 28 upon F is 26 multiplied by H value is 10, right? So 20 plus 35 minus 28 is 7, right? 7 upon 26 or 70 upon 26, right? So we'll calculate its value, just leave it here using that. We'll calculate its value later on. So Q3, so for Q3 and 3n upon 4, so 3n upon 4 means 3 bracket 35, right? 35, 5, 3, 15, 105. So 105 will lie in this, right? So Q3 is equal to L plus 3n upon 4 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. This formula we have already discussed in the previous video. This is Q3, right? So L value is lower limit of it, so 40 plus 3n 1 by 105 minus CF 92 upon F 22 multiplied by H is 10, right? So which will be 40 plus 105 minus 92, 40 plus 105 minus 95 minus 2 is 3, 10 minus 9 is 1, 13 upon 22 or 130 upon 22, right? So when we will calculate its value, so the value of these are 22.69 and 45.90. Let's find out median. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. So n by 2 means 140 upon 2, right? N upon 2, 70. So it will lie, 70 will lie in this, right? Okay, 70 will lie in this. Okay, in this it will lie 70. So 30 plus n by 2, 70 minus CF is 54 upon F is 38 multiplied by H is 10, right? So 30 plus 70, 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 160 upon 38, right? So when we will calculate its value, it will be equal to 4.21. So 30 plus 4.21, 34.21, right? Now we have to find out skewness, Boles coefficient of skewness. So just put the value into this. Q3 is this one, 45.90. minus Q1 is 22.69 plus Q1 minus 2 median is 34.21 divided by Q3 minus Q3 is 45.9 minus 22.69, right? So just calculate its value. So that is equal to 0.17 upon 23.21. So when we will calculate it, its value will be 0.073. So this is our answer of question number 15. Please pause the video and note it down. Next we have question number 16 on the same formula, right? So question number 16. Thus directly you have to put the value. Everything is given. So question number 16th. So we should know that 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. A formula is there between, a relation is there between mean, mode and median. So 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. This relation we have already studied in class 10, right? So now some values are given. So Q1 is given in question number 16. Q1 is equal to 18. Q3 is equal to 25. Mode is equal to 21. Mean is equal to 18. We have to find out Bolle's coefficient of skewness. So mean is given, mode is given, we can find out median. So 3 median is equal to mode 21 plus 2 multiplied by 18. So using that formula, so 21 plus 36, so 57. Now median is equal to 57 divided by 3, 3 1 time, 3 9 time, 27. So median is 19. Now Bolle's coefficient of skewness is equal to Q3 is 25 plus Q1 18 minus twice of median divided by 25 minus 18. So 25 plus 18 minus 38, right? So this is minus 20 and this 5 upon 25 minus 18 is 7. So 0.7749 and 101 and 4, so 0.714. So this is our answer for question number 16th, right? So this is about Bolle's coefficient of skewness. Now this is our next topic of applied maths, skewness and kurtosis. So skewness and kurtosis is very easy. Skewness formula is mean minus mode upon sigma. Sigma means standard deviation. So mean minus mode upon standard deviation. So mean we all know how to calculate mean. Mode we all know how to calculate mode. So standard deviation also we have studied. Next is kurtosis. So kurtosis is n sigma fi xi minus x bar whole raised to the power 4 divided by sigma fi xi minus x bar square whole square. So this we will understand it with the help of this question. So this is question number 14th, right? So first I have made these columns because these all will be used. This will be used for mean, this will be used for standard deviation, and then these all for kurtosis, right? So let's solve this just, right? I'll solve it for you. So when we multiply fi with xi, we have got these values, right? When we multiply fi xi square, so we have got these values, right? So sum of it is 229, sum of this is 14, right? This is fi xi square, or we can simply multiply this with this, right? So you will get this column. So mean is equal to sigma, so 229 upon, okay, sorry, not 2 to 9, mean will be 28, 38, 38 and 10, 48 and 7, 55, right? So 55 upon 14, right? Sum of this divided by 14. Similarly, this will be equal to, so standard deviation will be equal to square root of sum of this, so 2 to 9 upon n value is 14, minus 55 upon 14 whole square, right? So just simplify this value, right? So just don't get confused. This is simply a simple procedure we have followed here. So after calculation, its value will be standard deviation will be 0.92, right? Putting the values into it, and mean will be 3.92. So skewness, okay. Mode also we have to find out. So mode is maximum frequency. So maximum frequency is 7. So mode will be this one. Mode is 4, right? So okay, this will be negative because the mode is 4 and this is 14. Okay. Yes. So skewness will be mean 3.928 minus mode is 4, right? Divided by this 0.92, right? So this will be if we calculate it, so this will be equal to, now next comes is kurtosis. For kurtosis, just find out the value of this xi minus x bar whole square. So xi means 2 minus x bar is 3.92 whole square, then 3 minus 3.92 whole square, then 4 minus, so on. Similarly, square of this column will be written here, square of this column will be written here, then fi, this multiply by this column will be written here, and then fi multiply by this column will be written here. I'll write it. This is, let this be second column, this be third, this be fourth, this be fifth, this be sixth, right? So this is what second multiply by fifth column. This is what second multiply by sixth column, right? So sum of it, so whatever sum you will get, just put it, sum, and number of terms is 14 bracket, sum should be written here, this sum, and this sum square we have to write in division with square, right? So when you will solve it, you will get kurtosis also. So that's all for today's video. This is very easy, but the values are quite difficult. In the exercise, I'll give you some simple values also in the next video, so that you will be able to understand. But the values are quite complicated in this, so the values will come in decimal. So just find out, and that will be our answer for kurtosis. Very easy. Skewness, mean minus mode upon standard deviation. Kurtosis is n sigma fi xi minus x bar whole raised to power 4 divided by sigma fi xi minus x bar whole square, right? So thank you for watching.